Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can create the counter effect in Capcut. Let's dive in. First open up Capcut. Now go to the text option and add a text layer. Choose a font of your liking and write whatever digit you want. Now move forward 13 frames and copy the text layer by holding Alt. Now trim the new layer as shown. Add a glow effect to your new text layer. Now on the first text layer, add keyframes on position and opacity as shown. Again, add keyframes to make the out animation on the old text layer. Add and fade out animation to the new text layer. Now repeat the process for any amount of times you want. Select all the layers and convert them to a compound clip. Now go to the speed curves and change the speed of the clip according to your liking. Now in the basic section, enable the motion blur. Capcut will take its time to process. Once it's done, you have the counter effect. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.